So let's take a look at parts only tickets. This is what you're going to use if you're going to sell parts over the counter. So if I go into configuration and I go to form types, in form types you can set up a custom form for parts only tickets. So it's going to use a different look for the form than when you do a normal repair order. Also, underneath general options, you can turn on an icon on your toolbar for parts only tickets. You do have to restart Auto Writer after making that change. And then finally, repair order, disclaimer, you can set a custom disclaimer for parts only tickets. So once you've set that up, now when you're back in Auto Writer, I'll start a parts only ticket. I'll put in my name, found it, and you can see the look of the screen is a little bit different. I can add a part to the ticket. And with parts only tickets, let's say I'm going to sell this part right here, and I want 5 of them. There is a list price field. Now the list price field only exists when you do parts only tickets. It doesn't exist with regular repair orders. So let's say I say the normal list price of this is $3.99. When I print the parts only ticket, notice it's going to show a list price, and each price, and extended. And of course it simplifies down here what doesn't apply. So it doesn't show parts and labor, things like that. It just shows parts. And here's that disclaimer.